Hello everybody. Today I will show you 4 vitamins every woman needs after 30, but few take. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments below, which is the most important vitamin for you. Vitamins play a crucial role in your body, so this fall, focus on consuming as many vegetables and fruits as possible, or supplement any deficiencies. After the age of 30, it's essential to pay more attention to the variety of vitamins you intake. Here are 4 vitamins that are indispensable for your body. Vitamin D, facilitating calcium absorption, it is crucial for bone health. Bone health should be a priority from a younger age to prevent various diseases later on. Between the ages of 30 and 70, the body requires more. Also, consuming fresh orange juice and allowing sunlight to touch your skin is beneficial. Folic acid, a type of vitamin B, vital for pregnant women and crucial for all healthy bodies. The daily requirement is 400 mg. During pregnancy, it should be increased to 600 mg, and during breastfeeding, 500 mg daily. Foods rich in folic acid include spinach, lentils, avocados, and asparagus. Vitamin C essential for skin health and beauty, playing a vital role in collagen formation and skin regeneration. For beautiful and elastic skin, a minimum of 75 mg of vitamin C should be taken daily. During pregnancy, this dose should increase to 80 mg, and smokers should consume at least 110 mg of vitamin C daily. Broccoli, spinach, red peppers, and strawberries are high in vitamin C, so consume them as much as possible. Vitamin E. The risk of developing chronic diseases increases with age. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes harmful free radicals. It is recommended to intake 15 mg daily for those above 30. Olive oil, rapeseed oil, and corn oil are rich in vitamin E, but should not be consumed excessively. Nutmeg and avocado are also very rich in vitamin E.